What's up, guys? What's going on? You're welcome to this project preview on e-shop. I'm talking about e-commerce. Actually, most people got really want to sell their products online. Some people say, okay, they really want to have a social media page and so on and so forth. But I've got to let you know that you can really have your own e-commerce website, just like Jumia, um, AliExpress and Amazon and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be showing the features of this e-commerce website and how you can really manage it. What I'm trying to do right now is to unfold onto you that you can manage this e-commerce website yourself without having a coding experience. Now, let me start from this. Now, this is the front page of Gatsby. It's the e-commerce website. This is the front page of it. The front page where the user which visit the website got to see. I want you to know that this e-commerce website is categorized into three parts. We have the number one, the admin, which is the owner, which is you. Then we have the number one, the sales representative. Then we have number three, the user, which are those who are trying to purchase your goods on your website. Now, let me get to be explaining one by one all these features because getting this e-commerce website, you can really manage it yourself. Now, I am in on the admin portal. The admin and the user log in with the same, what they call it, the same location by seeing the login page on the website, as you can see here, log out. So if you have already logged in, that's why it's showing them log out. Now, the first thing is the dashboard. This is the dashboard, and this dashboard is summarizing every activities of the e-commerce website, talking about the total customers, talking about the total order, talking about the total categories and total product brand. I'm going to explain all those things. And can you see the statistics analysis right now in this place? Then when you come down also, you also see statistics in a form of charts and numbers of sales and numbers of stocks and so on and so forth. And also the product uploaded recently got to be displayed on the screen. Now, let me got to go to the next one. Here we have products. Now, this is products icon. This product icons is talking about if you want to add a new product, like you want to add a product to your website, to the e-commerce website, you click on what? Add a new product. And it's going to load as it's loading right now. You put the name of the product and the name of the product and select the category which you have already created. We are going to get it also. Categories, the brand, and the unit of the product, the quantity, the minimum quality of the product, the minimum quantity of the product, and tag. When talking about tag, you're talking about this tag will work for the search of the product because when the user can just click on this particular place and say, I am shopping for, they can search for anything. So the tag you are putting here, you can put more than 10 tags on this place. We enable them to really search for a product that relates to the product they are looking for. So we're going to come out because the tag has been displayed here. Then you also have the product image. You can put more than one or two images. Then you click on the browser and you upload your image. Let me go to come down again. Okay, now you're talking about product video. You're talking about them uploading the video of the product. You know, some products really have some kind of video display that you can use to display your product for them to really understand the kind of product you're talking about. Now we have a lot of things. Then this place is talking about the unit price, talking about the price of the product. We have purchase price and discount and quantity. That means how many in stock of the product, how many is in stock, the product in stock. Then we have the description of the product, which it is form of a note, just like your Microsoft one, that you can go into type your description of the product. And let's have the scroll down. And we have the PDF specification. If there is any PDF such as a document that the product carried, you can upload it also there. And for the user, after purchasing the product, they can download the PDF. And we have the SEO, the search engine optimization meta tag. You're talking about search engine optimization. You know, this website is on search engine optimization, such as Google and so on and so forth. So you put the description of the search engine optimization and the pictures which you want it to display on the Google search. Then beside there, you see we have the shipping fee. Let's say it's free, for instance. Why it's enabled here. Then we have the white shipping free, so you can enable and also you can disable. And then we have show the quantity of the product which I enable it. You can also say, okay, you don't want to show the quantity of the product that is in stock. You can do what? Disable it. So now, let me have the come down again. Sometimes why you show the quantity so that the customer will know that maybe this product is few and they need to purchase it quick before it got to be out of the stock. So it may be an advice for you to up the quantity. Then here is cash on delivery. That means if you don't want them to pay online direct with your ATM or whatsoever, you do a cash on delivery. So when you deliver your goods, you get your cash. Then we have today days, as you can see right now, beside there is what they call today's days. Anything if you enable today days, the product you upload is going to display on this particular place, which is called today days out. So now this system is very simple for everyone to really understand. Then here, when talk about all products, you're talking about all the product that you have uploaded, all the product that you have input on the system. That's all you're talking about all products. All products. So in this all products, you see all the products that have been uploaded on the system. And if you check on add new products, you also see you can also add new products from all the products right now on this place. Now, let me get to go to the in-house product. That means product that is in the house. Talking about the product that is in the store. The product that is in the store, I was talking about the product that is in the store, is also related to all products beside the store. So if the one you select the quantity of the product and the one you select not the quantity, so the one have quantity is going to be in this house product. Now seller product. Now when you're talking about seller products, you're talking about your representatives, people who have signed up under you as under this your shop as a seller. This seller also have a dashboard. So any of their products they are uploading is going to be displayed on this same seller product on this place. Then we also have what they call digital products. Digital products are products that are not physical. There is such as PDF, talking about PDF, ebook, and so on and so forth. Those are called digital products. So if you want to upload digital product, you click on what digital product. Then we have the bulk export and bulk import. So if you want to import in bulk and so on and so forth. Then go to the category because I got to explain this category, like adding categories of your products, such as maybe you are into clothing accessory, just like for instance the sample you are seeing right now, talking about clothing accessory, hat, jean trouser, and so on and so forth. So you anybody can really use this e-commerce website, which we are going to develop for you and set it up for you, and so on and so forth. Now we're talking about brand. Each product have a brand. At least you can promote the brand of the product. You can promote the brand of the product. So you can add more than 2 or 3 brand and whatsoever sizes of brand and the logo of the brand. So that when they purchase the product, they are going to see the logo of the brand and so on. And so when you are promoting an LG product right now, for instance, on your e-commerce, for instance, you can put the brand there so they will really understand that it's coming from LG. Then we have product preview and so on. So now let's go to the sales. To the second, I told you that this system have three parts. We have the admin part, then we also have the user part, and we also have the seller part. Now the seller is the one which you allocate um, duty to, that you have a seller. That means they are selling products inside the same e-commerce that you have. Now you can view all the seller. So seller register from what? From the platform, which is from here. You see this place, you see, become a seller, apply. So seller register from it. So we can also take the seller also to anywhere you want us to make it to display. We can display it as a slideshow. We can display it as a banner just like this. And when they click on it, it take them to the seller portal where they are going to register. So now the seller is this, and the seller is all about those who are selling. So when you click on the seller, all sellers, you are going to see the seller that you have approved. And before seller can be registered under your e-commerce, it must be approved by you. That's why you are saying seller verification form, because they fill the form, they fill what they want to promote, and so on and so forth. Then this is seller commission. That means you set the commission of the seller. That means how much do you want the seller to be having? Is it 20% of the product? Or so you can set it the way you want it at your back end as an admin. And then we have the payout request. How do you want to pay the when the seller is applying for payout? You are going to see it in this payout request. Remember, this is a notification. If there is any new message such as payout request or message or support tickets from anywhere, it's going to detect on this notification bar. Now, let me get to move forward because I got to just brief this explanation because now we have the uploading file. Uploading file talking about uploading image on the website on the e-commerce. Now we have blog system, so you can also blog a product. You can blog a product. You know, when you go to some e-commerce, you see a lot of adverts running on the page, such as click here to see the new product and so on and so forth. So you can blog a product, talk about the product, the use of the product, and why the product need to be purchased by you, who need this product. So you can just make you just this blog system is to make the product your e-commerce page to be very busy so that people can really know the activities is going on the e-commerce page. So now we're talking about all product and so on, all posts. That means talking about the post of the blog, sorry. Then we also have marketing. When you're talking about marketing, we're talking about subscribers, coupons, support, and so on. And newsline. When you're talking about newsline, it also form of like you are presenting a product, but this comes in the form of marketing. It's coming in the form of marketing. So when you click on, you say, okay, I just want to promote a product. You write the description of the product, the subject of the product, and also and you send it. So all just all about the marketing. It's all about marketing your product in same page of yours. Now let me get to move down to the currency, because most people are thinking, okay, well, how am I going to do if I'm in US, if I'm in India, if I'm in Kenya, and so on and so forth? How am I going to change it to my own currency and so on and so forth? So now let me get to move to the currency. That's under the system. Sorry, setup. Yeah, setup and configuration. Now you see here currency. Now let's click on currency. Now by default, the currency we have is dollar currency, which is so you can add more currency. As you can see now, this one is naira, for instance. Now we have dollar currency and so on and so forth. So you can add any currency you like and the rates. You put the rate of the currency. You know, in Nigeria, we have a $1 is equal to 500. Now, so you add currency to yours. So when we set it up for you, you can add your currency, you add a symbol of currency, and so on and so forth. So the system is very good and very easy for anyone to really manage. And when you're talking about payment gateway, payment method, you know, some people want to use like direct payment and let's receive a direct payment such as Paystack, PayPal. So the PayPal ID API can be used. So we have a lot of payments. You see, are you seeing payments gateway right now here? So if you want to use Paystack, you can also integrate your Paystack by selecting the Paystack you want to use. So you see all this payment gateway right now in this place. So now, let me get to move down again to the very important one again. I got to show you before I close in this preview of project. Let's move to the shipping. Now, this shipping is talking about how do you want this, I mean, the configuration of the shipping of the products purchased. You know, that's the configuration of the shipping of the products purchased. I mean, when they purchase a product, how do you want it? Is it a flat rate shipping or seller-wise flat receiving or area-wise flat receiving? So all these things, you got to set it yourself also. And you put the cost of the shipping. They put the cost of the shipping. I mean, those who are purchasing the product from another a very far country. So please, you can just subscribe on this our YouTube channel because we have a lot of project to review to you that can really help your business. And also free to contact me on WhatsApp if you really need this website. Please, I remain Mr. Babs. Have a nice day.